Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Wipe that frown off your face. It's all good, man. These are the pullbacks that you want. These are the pullbacks you want to capitalize off. It's part of of trading stocks, of the stock market, man. Some days stock's gonna be up, or your portfolio gonna be up. Some days it's gonna be down, but you just ride it on out. It's not a loss until you hit the sell button. Just an unrealized gain, or a realized gain if you are up, not a gain or profit until you sell it. That's what's great about the stock market, man. Anyway, portfolio at $54,992. I am down $468 for the day, $469, but I ain't tripping. Buying power $2,599.69. You might have wondered what happened to all the money I had from last week. I went and bought 470 shares of HRZN. Set up for a quick swing trade, but collect my dividend as I wait for it. But I want to lower my average cost. Really, I want to get it under $11. And as you can see right now, I'm under 11. I'm at 10.69. I just buy a share every day, as you about to see me do now. It's at 11.03. But 10.03. To buy $10 worth now on the spot. But y'all, one thing, man, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also, man. Let's go give ourselves a raise. We done knocked out HRZN. They have earnings coming out in like 2 days. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Good earnings going to boost that stock up. But like I say, BDC REITs in the financial sector will benefit after interest rate cuts. Alright, HRZN. We're going to go with TSLY with Tesla. Doing options on it. I just brought 100 shares at $11.30. In my Webull portfolio to lower my average cost. Just paid a dividend this month. Show you the dividend payment. Paid $1.09 a share. I sold AGNC. Let me show you what I did. You know, I don't hide anything from y'all. Give y'all the real about investing. AGNC. I had 825 shares at an average cost of like $9 and something, the lower nines. I sold it at 10.38. I made like, I was up 700 bucks, 700 something bucks. And remember, I was holding that stock since 2020. So you gotta look at all the monthly dividends I got. So I made 700 plus all the monthly dividends for over 4 years. But I got out at 10.38. They had bad earnings, so I figured it was gonna come on down some. So that freed up like 8,500 bucks. If you do 825 times 12, I think come out to around, well, 12 cents a share a month. I think come out about $99 a month of passive income I was making. So I went and brought TSLY 100 shares, because they paid $1.09. Most are going to be around $90 a month, so I can recuperate that money back at a cheaper price. I got 100 shares at $11.30. And plus, I'm going to get, you know, AGNC paid 12 cents a share. 12 cents a share a month. TSLY doing damn near over a dollar. So you talking about I am 10x, 10 to 12x what I would make with AGNC. So that's why I brought the 100 shares on that move, and I'm gonna buy some more. I'm just watching it. I hope it get back down to 11. I hope it gets back down to 11.07 mark so I can load up. All right, that's TSLY. Another one I like, $10 a dunder, ULTY. It got down to $9.90 today. I'm gonna buy a share every day of this. I done find this niche on this. It's $10 and under. I'm gonna buy it. When it's $10 and over, I'm not gonna touch it. All right, ULTY, got that out the way. Another one down, I'm about to say AMDY. at 1308, 1309. Get some AMDY. I haven't brought into that in a minute. That pays a nice juicy dividend also. What else we going at monthly? ORC. Got down to 793 today. They got earnings coming out in a couple days also. $10 worth of that. Another one coming down, ARR. And I sold AGNC because I got my Cash App portfolio. I got hell over 200 something shares. I got residual money like $63 a month coming in. So I got over probably $6,000 invested in it. So I was too overweight. Just in case it does take a fall, I'd rather take a fall in one position instead of two. I can always buy back in. And swing trade it in another portfolio. Behold my Cash App one for the long term in it. And I think I got it in my Charles Schwab portfolio too. So I was kind of overweight in it. So but everything worked out fine for the long run. Like I said, you got to learn how your stocks trade. The pattern of them, like with ARR, it's going to dip. It might go to the lower 19s or the late 18s. Then it's going to bounce right back up above that $20 mark. And on a good old run, it'll go up to about 22. We're going to get $5 of this. This is still below $67. This is USOI. We're going to ride it up. This is an oil stock energy, oil. Doing cover calls on oil ETF. So when oil is up, this will be up. When oil is down, this stock will be down. But we're going to ride it on up. That pays out monthly too. Paid out $2.21 a month. But last month, monthly. Another one to watch. RYLD. It's got down. It's at 16.13. Got down to 16.11 a day. About $3 fractional share. This when I just nibble at it. When I sell my shares, when you see me do swing trades, I never sell my fractional shares. Some people like to add them up. I just sell the shares I buy in like whole shares I buy. You know, when I put buy limit orders in, them the only ones I sell. All right, some growth stocks that is in your buy range. CVS, like I said, they just had their ex-dividend date was yesterday, so this stock gonna come on down. They're gonna pay a dividend of 66 cents a share for this quarter. But you need to take advantage of this dip. If you want to start a new position, the time is now. CVS, WU, Western Union, which is a dividend growth stock. CVS is a dividend growth stock too. Western Union got down to 11.53 today. $10 worth of that today. I like it at 11.80 and under. INTC, I brought some Intel today in my other Cash App portfolio. The reason I did it because I got an average cost of $24. My average cost right here is lower than what I have in the other one. So right here, I'm not going to buy, but I'm going to buy it in my other one. I like this to come below $21 before I start nibbling. I can get $3 worth today since it's down, whatever. Ain't going to hurt nothing. $3 worth of that. But I brought $10 worth in my other one. Another one down from Dollar General. Brought $10 worth of that today too. Fractional share. Down at 80.33. Like I said, it's a good time to start a position in it. Another one down for y'all that's been trading for a while and beat up upside down like I am is Medifast. I mean, all stocks coming down today. Got to go to ChargePoint, CHPT. It's accumulation stage. I know it hurt. Like I said, I'm buying 10 shares every day at this $1.30 mark. And I'm going to trade it and get my money back. That on the standard hours. All right, now we're gonna go with so some nice deals out here, man. SCHD. I know they just did a stock split, but it's too cheap to let go on by. SCHD at what, 28.30. I got my thing on $1 a day, but I said on the days when it's down, I add on $1, like today. So that's $2 a day I did in it, and I got it in my other portfolio too. And SCHG. Like I say, on the down days, I just add another $1 with it. 26.58. Well, I'm right there at it, so I'm not really below my average cost. I'm not gonna bother that. SCHG, SCHG. All right, let's go see what the market got for the rest of our stocks. Walgreens, another one having a sell off. Like they just catching all kind of hell, man. They can't stay up. They was on a good old run, but it is what it is. We'll see what's gonna happen with them, but I'm not worrying about Walgreens right about now. See what's gonna come on down. Some things still bullish. Verizon also been having a sell off. I wonder what's going on here. (52-week high, 45.36). They've been having a sell off. P/E ratio at a 16. I want to sell it at a 20 if I'm gonna dump it, but not right now. EFC is another one. Ellington Financial, 12.56. I can do something with that. Add a fractional share. EFC, they pay a dividend of like 13 cents a share a month. I can add on a little something to that. Not gonna hurt nothing. I very seldom like pulls back a lot. TCPC, when that one we was buying, that's coming back down. I want to get at that early. 802s if I can. I'm gonna see if we're gonna get around that 815 mark. I can watch it. Try to get it at its low. Sorry about that. Everybody say, come on, Xfinity. We got Medifast. Like I said, you wonder, like, if y'all ask how do I pick my list every morning? I got a watch list in my Webull portfolio of stocks I like to watch. Some of my favorites, especially on my monthly players. And yeah, I sit there and watch it every day, and I get up. It's called checking your traps, man. I go and look, see what's happening. And if they down in my buy range, I buy them. If they not, I don't. Oaktree Special Lending. You can get some of that. You ain't got to spend a whole lot. It ain't down a lot, but nibble on down in it. Nice dividend yield, nice market cap. ARR, we got our Armor Residential REIT. We got our TSLY, ULTY. else we gonna do? QDTE, XDTEs. I got the dollar a day thing set for these. So not really studying them. We did SCHD, YMAX down. 1753. I got my dollar a day set up. Get another dollar on YMAX. Being that it's down. So I would have got QDTE, but I am up. As I'm gonna show you when I clicked it. Got XDTE and QDTE down. 52.65. I'm at 52.38, so I'm not gonna bother it. It's QDTE right here, 42.56. I'm at 42.36, so I'm gonna leave it alone. If I was down in it, I'd have got $1 worth. That's pretty much it, man. All I'm going with. Y'all watch my recent videos, man. I'll be posting some nice videos, some other stocks, especially some growth stocks, blue chip stuff too, man. So this is another one I like to spit, man. When they get back below my 1948, I'm gonna go hard in it. I'm gonna buy about $100 worth. But that's it. Signing off. Go get your money.